Now we will create a part based upon shaft and groove. So let us start making the part. First यहाँ पर हम एक sketch बनाएंगे which will be representing the outer portion of the part. So first मैं यहाँ पर एक फ्री हैंड स्केच बना देता हूँ. And then we will give the dimensions. So now almost all the dimensions are completed. Now इसको हम modify करेंगे. So we will go to edit multi constraint. So this dimension is 101.50. This dimension is, so total diameter is 22. So हम हाफ स्केच बना रहे हैं. So यहाँ पे हम लेंगे 11. This dimension is 11 plus 49 plus 4.50. So यहाँ हम डायरेक्ट एडिशंस टाइप कर सकते हैं. सॉफ्टवेयर ऑटोमेटिकली इसका टोटल रिजल्ट कैलकुलेट कर लेता है. दिस इज 4.50. This diameter is 14, so 7. This is 9.50, so 9.50 divided by 2, and this length is 8. So preview, okay, exit. So here we have to revolve it about the horizontal axis. So we will select this axis and okay. Now after this, on these two outer edges we have a chamfer of value 1 into 45 डिग्री. सो इसके लिए या तो हम इनिशियली स्केच में ही चैम्फर ट्रेस कर सकते हैं, और वी कैन गो टू ड्रेसअप फीचर्स, सॉरी, chamfer, and select here the nomenclature as length by angle. So this is 1 by 45 degree by default. So यहाँ पर हमें ये edges को just 1 by 1 select करना है for getting the chamfer to be created. Next we have to create a through all cutout on this particular section. So its dimension is 49 by 7. So first मैं एक rectangle बना लेता हूँ, this, and now we will give the dimension 49. This is 7. Again from this side this is 4.50, and the total length is 14. So this should be 7. Now here यहाँ पे हम देख सकते हैं कि अगर हमें डायमेंशन देना है तो डायमेंशन देने के लिए हमें यहाँ कोई रेफरेंस मिल नहीं रहा है. द रीज़न इज़ दैट दिस इज़ नॉट अ सर्कुलर सॉरी स्ट्रेट एज. सो इन ऑर्डर टू गिव इट अ डायमेंशन हमें यहाँ पे एक रेफरेंस लाइन ट्रेस करना पड़ेगा. एंड फॉर दैट we have a option of project 3D silhouette curve. So we have to go here and we have to create it in a construction form since इसका यूज़ हमें सिर्फ एक रेफरेंस लाइन के लिए करना है. नाउ यहाँ पे हम देख सकते हैं वी हैव गॉट अ रेफरेंस कंस्ट्रक्शन लाइन एंड इसका रेफरेंस लेके we can give the dimension and constrain this sketch. And now we will modify the dimensions. So this is 49, this is 7, this is 4.50, and this is 7. And now we will go to pocket command. अब ये कट हमें दोनों साइड से एंड टू एंड मेंटेन करना है. So we will select up to last and for second limit also up to last. Now we have to create two holes here. So the diameter of two holes is 3.20. So we'll create two holes. So diameter 3.20. Then center to center distance between these two circles is 25. So we will select individually the centers to place the dimension. This is 25 and distance from one of the edges 12. So this distance is 12 and ये holes भी up to last हमें create करना है. And finally we have to create a keyway cutout on this particular section, and profile for that is basically a circle of radius 8. So we will create a circle here. Diameter 16. Distance from one of the edges 17. And the depth is 5. So the depth is given from this edge. Again we have to create projection lines here so that we can get a reference edge for placing the dimensions. And finally the total depth of cut is 3 mm. So ये cut, as we know that it is symmetric, so here we can take it as mirrored extent 3/2. that is 1.5. So in this manner we can complete a cylindrical job based upon the shaft and revolve command. Here we have seen that for adding the secondary features like chamfer, cuts and pockets, we can go for pad, pocket and commands like chamfer. In the next session we will be continuing with the next commands.